Good morning, students. As in our live classes, we have completed this chapter, that is chapter number 6, Magnet. And just for your revision purpose, I am providing you the YouTube videos also, so that your concept should be totally clear with this chapter. Now, what we have to learn in this chapter? The name of the chapter is Magnets. And what are the things which we are going to learn here? You can see the learning objective given on the left hand side of the book. The first learning objective is discovery of magnet, how magnets were discovered. Second, magnetic and non-magnetic materials we will study. Third, we will study about characteristics of a magnet. Fourth, we will study properties of magnet. Fifth, we will study about magnetic field around a magnet. Sixth, we are going to study Earth's magnetic field. Then making of magnet, permanent and temporary magnet, magnet and their uses, electromagnets and the choice of material for the core of electromagnet, then care and storage of magnet, demagnetization by heating, hammering and electricity. These are the topics which we are going to learn in this chapter. Now, as we have learned everything earlier, so it will be more easier to understand while going line by line of the book. Now, first let us start that what is magnet. First, it is given the definition, like it is saying that a magnet is an object which attracts. What is the meaning of attract? Attract means apni or खींचना. A magnet is an object which attracts things made of iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Magnet are those material or those object which attracts the thing which are made up of iron, whether steel, either nickel or cobalt. Like in figure 6.1, here you can see the figure. This is a magnet and it is attracting so many pieces of iron nails, nuts. Shows that a magnet attracts paper clips and screw made up of iron or steel. They have attracted, this magnet have attracted so many paper clips, you can see, nut or screw, you can see. All these iron parts, all these pieces of iron, small pieces of iron are getting attracted towards the magnet. This is called magnet. Now, what is magnet made up of? Here it is written, magnets are made of iron, steel or other alloys. What do you mean by alloy? Alloy means alloy of iron means those material in which iron particles are present. By the process of magnetization, magnets are made up of iron, whether iron or steel or other alloys of iron in which iron are present by the process of magnetization. Magnetization is a process of making magnet. Now, magnet made in this way are called artificial magnet. Whatever magnet which we are making by any physical or chemical process, they are called artificial magnet, or we can say that man-made magnet, which means man-made magnets. Magnets are made in different shapes and sizes. There are so many shapes and sizes in which we are making magnets for our use according to our convenience. Magnets are made in different shape so that can be used for different purposes. According to the uses, they are made of different sizes. One of the most common shape is the bar magnet. Out of so many shapes and size of magnet, the most common shape is bar magnet. A bar magnet is a long rectangular magnetized bar of iron or steel. What is bar magnet? It is a long in the shape of rectangular, which is made up of either iron or steel. Some other types of magnets are horseshoe magnet, U-shaped magnet, cylindrical magnet, that is also called rod magnet, button magnet and ring magnet. Here the figures of all the types of magnet are given here. You can see this is bar magnet, this is U-shaped magnet, this is horseshoe magnet, this is cylindrical magnet, this is button magnet, this is ring magnet. So according to our uses, we are making different shapes of magnet according to the use. Now, next topic, as the first topic would be very clear to you, that from where magnet is a object which attracts thing which is made up of iron, nickel, cobalt or steel. What are the shapes of magnet in which they are available, that also we have studied. Now next is how magnet were discovered. Magnet का पता कैसे लगाया गया? There is an old story that magnets were discovered by chance. ये एक बहुत पुरानी कहानी है. किसी चांस की वजह से, by chance magnet was discovered by an old shepherd named Magnus. एक बूढ़ा हुआ करता था जिसका नाम था मैग्नीज, हु लिव्ड इन एंशिएंट ग्रीस, जो ग्रीस नाम के कंट्री में रहा करता था. ही ऑलवेज टूक अ वुडन स्टिक विथ हिम टू मैनेज हिज हर्ड ऑफ शीप एंड गॉट्स. वो भेड़ और बकरी चराया करता था, तो वो हमेशा अपने साथ एक छड़ी रखा करता था. द वुडन स्टिक हैड एन आयरन कास्टिंग एट इट्स लोअर एंड. और उस छड़ी की खासियत ये थी कि छड़ी के जो सबसे निचले हिस्से में उसने लोहे का कुछ परत चढ़ा रखा था, लोहे की कील मार रखी थी, सो दैट वो घिसे नहीं. वन डे मैग्नीस सडनली फेल्ट दैट समथिंग वॉज पुलिंग हिज स्टिक अवे फ्रॉम हिम. एक दिन वो ओल्ड शेफर्ड मैग्नीस, व्हाट ही ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट सम force is attracting his stick and taking his stick away from him. कोई ऐसा फोर्स था जो कि उसके स्टिक को पकड़ के रख ले रहा था, छोड़ नहीं रहा था. It appeared as if the iron covered end of the stick was being attracted by a rock and got stuck to the rock. उसने ऐसा महसूस किया कि जो लोहा लगा हुआ है उसके छड़ी के नीचे, वो डंटे के नीचे जो लोहा लगा हुआ है, that iron piece is getting attracted towards the rock. वो पत्थरों के बीच में चिपक रहा है. नेक्स्ट इज मैग्नीस हैड टू पुल हार्ड टू फ्री द आयरन एंड ऑफ द स्टिक. मैग्नीस जो लड़का था, जो आदमी था, उसे ताकत लगानी पड़ रही थी वो लोहे के एंड को छुड़ाने के लिए पत्थरों से. एक्चुअली द रॉक वॉज ए नेचुरल मैग्नेट. What was that rock? That rock was a natural magnet which attracted the iron end of Magnus stick. जो मैग्नीस के स्टिक को, डंटे को, उसके एंड में जो लोहे लगी हुई थी उसको पकड़ ले रहा था. The rock was behaved like a magnet and was given the name magnetite. वो पत्थर मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव कर रहा था and that rock was given a name, that is magnetite. Magnetite rock contains iron. जो मैग्नेटाइट पत्थर था उसमें क्या पाया जा रहा था? दैट वॉज कंटेनिंग आयरन. मैग्नेट्स वेयर नेम्ड सो आफ्टर द नेम ऑफ शेफर्ड मैग्नीस. मैग्नेट का नाम उस आदमी मैग्नीस के नाम पे ही पड़ गया. सम पीपल हाउएवर बिलीव दैट नेचुरल मैग्नेट्स कॉल्ड मैग्नेटाइट वॉज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड एट द प्लेस कॉल्ड मैग्नीसिया इन टर्की. कुछ लोग ऐसा भी मानते हैं कि जो नेचुरल मैग्नेट है वो मैग्नेटाइट से बना और वो पहली बार डिस्कवर किया गया एक जगह है, प्रांत है जिसका नाम है मैग्नीशिया, दैट इज इन टर्की. द मैग्नेटाइट, दैट रॉक, द रॉक इज नोन एज मैग्नेटाइट. जो रॉक उस लोहे को अपनी ओर अट्रैक्ट करके चिपका ले रहा था, दैट रॉक वॉज नोन एज मैग्नेटाइट. द मैग्नेटाइट अट्रैक्ट्स पीसेस ऑफ आयरन टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ. मैग्नेटाइट क्या कर रहा था? लोहे के टुकड़े को अपनी ओर खींच के चिपका ले रहा था. एंड व्हेन दिस थिन स्ट्रिप ऑफ मैग्नेटाइट इज सस्पेंडेड फ्रॉम अ थ्रेड दैट सो दैट इट कुड रोटेट फ्रीली. अगर वो पत्थर को रस्सी से बांध के लटकाया गया तो वो आराम से मूव कर रहा था. द मैग्नेटाइट स्ट्रिप ऑलवेज अलाइन इटसेल्फ इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, दैट इज नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन. हियर इट इज सेइंग दैट व्हेन वी सस्पेंड एनी मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल which is containing the property of magnet or any magnet, it will always rest in north south direction. One end of the freely suspended magnetic strip always point towards the north south direction. Due to this property, the freely suspended magnetic strip were used by sailors in the ship to find direction in olden times. This property of magnet, that is shows the direction, that is north south direction. Due to this, the sailor in ancient times they were using in the ships for finding the direction, because when we are in sea or ocean, we should not see any type of land, we will see all around water, so we were unable to find the direction. The magnets were helping them to find the direction. Since magnetite was used to find direction, to lead the way for the ship, it was also called lodestone, which means leading stone. वो पत्थर दिशा बताने के सक्षम था. That stone was capable of showing the direction. That's why the ore or the stone is also called lodestone, which means leading stone, रास्ता दिखाने वाला. The pieces of magnetite rock are also known as natural magnets. वो टुकड़े जो मैग्नेटाइट रॉक, जो पत्थर के टुकड़े थे, दे आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल मैग्नेट ऑल्सो. Now like this the magnets were discovered. Now next topic is magnetic and non-magnetic materials. What are magnetic materials and what are non-magnetic materials? From the above activity we conclude that some material or object are attracted by magnet. एक एक्टिविटी किया जाए जिसमें हमने ये समझा कि कुछ कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट ऐसे थे जो मैग्नेट की ओर जाके चिपक जा रहे थे, एंड देयर वेयर सम ऑब्जेक्ट विच वे आर नॉट गेटिंग अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द magnet, whereas other materials or object are not attracted by a magnet. So on the basis of their behavior towards a magnet, all the materials can be divided into two groups: magnetic material and non-magnetic material. Magnetic material we can say that are those material which are attracted towards the magnet, जो magnet की ओर खिंचाता है और चिपक जाता है. And non-magnetic materials are those material which are not attracted towards the magnet, जो magnet की ओर नहीं खिंचाता है और चिपकता नहीं है. जैसे some examples are given. The material which are attracted by magnets are called magnetic materials such as iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. These are magnetic material. The object made up of iron and steel like nails, कांटी, paper clip, sewing needle, hairpin, paper pin, drawing pin, safety pin, knife, blade, scissor, spade, blade, etc. all are attracted by magnet. That's why these all things are known as magnetic material. And non-magnetic, the material which are not attracted by magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Like all the magnetic materials, all the materials other than iron, इन सबको छोड़ करके iron, steel, nickel and cobalt are non-magnetic material. इन सबको छोड़ करके, आयरन को, स्टील को, निकेल और कोबाल्ट को छोड़ करके जितने भी मटेरियल्स हैं दे आर नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. फॉर एग्जांपल वुड, लकड़ी कभी नहीं चिपकेगा मैग्नेट में. प्लास्टिक, रबर, पेपर, क्लॉथ, ग्लास, लेदर, थर्माकोल, कॉपर, अल्मुनियम, ब्रास, लेड, so many examples are given. They are non-magnetic material. It means they are not getting attracted towards the magnet. In fact, most of the material around us are non-magnetic. इवन हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि हमारे आसपास की जितने भी मटेरियल्स हैं उनमें से ज़्यादातर मटेरियल नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स है. प्लीज़ नोट दैट नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स कैन नॉट बी मैग्नेटाइज्ड. हम लोग नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल को मैग्नेटाइज या मैग्नेट नहीं बना सकते हैं. मैग्नेट हम उसी को बना सकते हैं जो मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल है. द ऑब्जेक्ट्स मेड अप ऑफ नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल आर ऑल्सो नॉन मैग्नेटिक इन नेचर. वैसा ऑब्जेक्ट जो नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल से बना हुआ है वो नॉन मैग्नेटिक ही होगा नेचर में. इट मीन्स दे विल नॉट गेट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द मैग्नेट और दे कैन नॉट बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मैग्नेट्स. Thus, a wooden scale, wooden spoon, plastic scale, then pencil, rubber, eraser, copper wire, aluminium, can, brass utensils, a book, leather shoes, wood saving, etc. all are non-magnetic object. These are the examples, some more examples of non-magnetic object which would not be made magnet by any of the process. Now let us move to the next topic. Now in the next page you can see that there are some examples given in a table made, that is magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. Examples are given that you have to see. Next is pole of magnet. Now what it is saying, if a bar magnet is put into a heap of iron fillings, अगर किसी बार मैग्नेट को लोहे के कण के पास छोड़ दिया जाए, the maximum amount of iron fillings cling to the two end of the bar magnet. सबसे ज़्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ आयरन के टुकड़े, लोहे के टुकड़े वो चिपक जाएंगे उसके कॉर्नर्स पे at the two end of the bar magnet. This shows that the force of attraction of the magnet is strongest near the two end of the bar magnet. ये क्या बताता है, that the force of attraction of the magnet is more, or you can say the strongest at the two ends. These are called the poles of the magnet. ये सब क्या कहलाते हैं? These are called the poles of the magnet. Thus the region around the magnet where the attraction is strongest are called poles of the magnet. A magnet always have two poles whatever shape this may be. मैग्नेट के हमेशा दो पोल होंगे चाहे वो कैसे भी शेप का हो. द पोल ऑफ मैग्नेट इज कॉल्ड नॉर्थ पोल and the other pole of magnet is called south pole. There are two poles of magnet, one is north pole and another is south pole. These are the two poles of the magnet. The north pole of the magnet is represented by writing letter N and the south pole is written by writing S near its other end. Here you can see that a bar magnet is there. It is kept within iron fillings, and most of the iron fillings are attracted towards the end of the magnet, and these two ends are known as poles of the magnet. One is known as north pole and another is known as south pole. Now let us see next properties of magnet. What are the property? The very first property of magnet is directional property, or you can say that directive property of magnet. It shows the direction. Just now we have studied that sailors were using for riding the ships. जो जहाज चलाते थे पहले के समय में, they were unaware of the direction. Now we are getting the direction by Google, but earlier Google was not there. So who will tell us direction? So these magnets were telling us the direction. See what is the activity shown here. I am not going to read the entire topic. I am just making you understand this diagram. See here what is done here. A stand is taken, and stand by the help of a thread, a bar magnet is being suspended freely to move. A bar magnet is freely suspended to move, and if we rotate this magnet, and what we will see after some time, when the magnet will stop, it will rest in only one fixed direction, that is north south direction. ये हमेशा हमें north और south direction बताएगा. It will always show us north south direction. This is the concept from here to just below this page, that whenever we are suspending a bar magnet freely to move, it will always rest in north south direction. And one of the property, by this property a device is being made, that is compass, which nowadays sailors are using this compass for finding the direction. That is, this needle is made up of magnet, and this magnet will always rest in, as you can see in the figure, it will always rest in north south direction. It is used to show the direction. This is the first property of magnet, that it shows us direction, and it shows us direction, that is north and south. If north and south are known, we can easily identify east and west. Now the first property was directional property of magnet. Second property we will see, attractive property of magnet. In your book it is given attractive property. It means that magnet always attracts towards it. Magnet always attracts magnetic material towards it. जितने भी magnetic material है, which are made up of iron, steel, cobalt, nickel, these are the magnetic materials, or the alloys in which iron parts are present. Those are magnetic materials, and all those materials have the attractive property. A magnet always have attractive property. It means these things will be getting attracted towards the magnet. ये सारे चीज magnet की ओर जाके चिपक जाएंगे. This is the second property of magnet. The third property of magnet, poles repel and attract each other. That like pole, एक तरह के पोल एक दूसरे से दूर भागेंगे. Unlike pole, opposite pole will attract each other. If you were having any magnet, you can try it at your home also, that when you will try to stick the magnet at the unlike pole, it will stick properly, and whether you are facing like poles, it will repel each other. As you can see here in the diagram, it is given, 3 diagrams are given, north south. These are unlike poles, opposite pole. It will always attract each other. मतलब ये दोनों यहाँ पे चिपक जाएंगे. You can see the arrow marked here. These are the unlike pole, and unlike pole will always attract each other. Here you can see like pole, north, north. These are the same pole, and the arrow mark is opposite. That means they will not attract each other. They will repel each other. ये एक दूसरे को धक्का देंगे दूर की ओर. Here also both are the same pole, south, south. They will also repel each other. So by these 3 diagrams we can understand that same pole repel each other, or you can say like pole repel while unlike pole attract. This is the main concept of the magnet, that like pole repel each other and unlike pole attract each other. Now next property of magnet is that poles exist in pair. Whatever magnet we are taking, in that magnet there will be always 2 poles. and that will exist in pair, that is North Pole and South Pole. See here by the diagram I am making you understand that a big bar magnet has been taken. In this bar magnet North Pole and South Pole is there. If we break the magnet, अगर इस magnet को हमने तोड़ा तो again two poles in a single magnet will be there. Suppose this magnet has been breaked. Now again here south and north, south and north, again automatically the two poles have been generated. Again these two magnets are being break down into four similar magnets. Again the poles will be coming in pairs. It means that poles always exist in pair. These are the main properties of the magnet. Now let us move to the next topic. Here one diagram is given, that property of magnet. First, directive. Why it is used for navigation. Navigation means to find the direction or to find the path or to move from here to there. In compasses, attractive property, attracts only magnetic substance. अगर कोई substance magnetic material है या नहीं है उसे कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं, तो by the help of magnet. If they are attracted towards magnet, they are magnetic substance. If they are not attracted towards magnet, they are non-magnetic materials. The next pole is repel and attract. Like pole repel each other, unlike pole attract each other. Here you can see attract, किसके किसके बीच में attraction होगा, तो north south, south north. Repel north north, south south. It means same pole repel each other and opposite pole attract each other. Then the fourth, pole exist in pair. Pole हमेशा pair में पाए जाएंगे, that is north and south. I hope that up to here it is quite clear to you. Next topic is magnetic field. Now here also I will be taking my copy to make you understand that what is magnetic field, because in book it is given too much lengthy. So coming to the copy. Our next topic were magnetic field. Magnetic field. Now we can define magnetic field as the region around the magnet where its effect can be felt are called magnetic field. The definition says that the region का मतलब area, the area around the magnet के आसपास का area where its effect, जहां उसका असर, मैग्नेट का असर क्या होगा, वो चीजों को अट्रैक्ट करेगा. द रीजन अराउंड द मैग्नेट वेयर इट्स इफेक्ट कैन बी फेल्ट आर कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. जहां उसका असर महसूस किया जा सके, दोज रीजन विल बी coming under magnetic field. Like suppose I am taking a bar magnet here, north south, ये मैग्नेट का एरिया है. नाउ एज वी हैव स्टडीड अर्लियर दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द अट्रैक्शन विल बी टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द मैग्नेट, दैट इज टुवर्ड्स द पोल्स ऑफ द मैग्नेट. सपोज एट दिस पोल्स सम अट्रैक्शन इज देयर. ऐसे करके around the poles of the magnet the attraction will be there. Like this, the poles around the poles of the magnet there will be attraction, because most of the attraction will be taking place around the poles. Now ये वो reason है, these are those reason where the effect of the magnet can be felt. These are the reasons where the effect of the magnet can be felt. So these reason will be called as magnetic field. इस रीजन को हम लोग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कहेंगे. इफ वी आर कीपिंग अ मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल विद इन दिस रेंज, अगर किसी मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल जैसे लोहे का टुकड़ा, ठीक है, स्टील के टुकड़े को अगर हम इस रेंज में रखते हैं, इस एरिया में रखते हैं, दैट विल बी गेटिंग अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द मैग्नेट, वो मैग्नेट की ओर चिपक जाएगा. दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. इफ वी आर कीपिंग अवे फ्रॉम दिस फील्ड, अवे फ्रॉम दिस एरिया, that will not get attracted towards the magnet, they will be not coming in the magnetic field. I hope that this diagram, by help of this diagram, the magnetic field is quite clear. Once again I am repeating that magnetic field means the region or the area around the magnet. These dotted lines I have made, these are the area around the magnet where its effect can be felt, जहाँ पे इसका असर महसूस किया जा सके. Where the effect of the magnet, असर क्या होगा मैग्नेट का? It will attract the magnetic materials towards it. वो सभी मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स को अपनी ओर अट्रैक्ट करेगा. The region around the magnet where its effect can be felt are called magnetic field. जहाँ मैग्नेट का इफेक्ट महसूस किया जा सकेगा, they will be called as magnetic field. I hope that this topic is clear. Now next topic is properties or characteristic of magnetic field lines. There are three properties. You can see in page number 101 given in your book. There are three properties or three characteristics of magnetic field lines. These are called, these lines which I have made, these are called magnetic field lines. What are the properties? The first property, it will originate from North Pole and end at South Pole. First is the magnetic field line. It is written in your book also. The magnetic field lines originate from the North Pole of a magnet and end at its South Pole. The magnetic field lines will originate from North Pole. It will start from North Pole and it will be ending at the South Pole. This is the first property. Second is the magnetic field lines come closer to one another near the poles. As you can see that here near the poles, the field lines will be very much closer. बहुत नज़दीक नज़दीक होंगी. And as we move away from the magnetic poles, the line will become apart from each other. There will be some gap, and as we are moving towards the pole, pole के जैसे जैसे नज़दीक आएंगे, the magnetic field lines will becoming closer to each other. एक दूसरे के बहुत करीब हो जाएंगे because the attraction is highest there, and as we will move away from the magnetic poles, the attracting power of the magnet will become weaker. That's why the lines of the magnet will be away from each other. And the third point is the magnetic field lines do not intersect. They will not intersect each other or cross one another. These lines will not intersect each other or they will not also cross each other. These were the characteristics of magnetic field lines. Now next topic is magnetic field of Earth. Now as we are freely suspending a magnet, अगर हम किसी मैग्नेट को freely लटका के छोड़ रहे हैं, so that we have studied that they rest, the magnet rest in north south direction. Why this is? क्यों मैग्नेट नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन में जाके रेस्ट करता है? Why not east west? That is because of magnetic field of Earth. In our Earth, we used to say that in the crust of the Earth, just in the bottom of the Earth, there is a huge magnet inside it. So that the Earth behaves like a magnet, and due to that magnet and the property, the bar magnet or any of the magnet rest in north south direction. Here I am going line by line to make you more clear. A freely suspended magnet always point in north south direction even in the absence of any other magnet. When we are suspending a magnet freely, it will always rest in north south direction even there is no other magnet. This suggests that Earth itself behaves as a magnet. This is the main line. What does it say? That Earth itself behaves as a magnet, which causes a freely suspended magnet or magnetic needle to point always in a particular direction, that is north-south direction. ये क्या बताता है? That Earth is behaving itself like a magnet, and which controls the freely suspended magnet to point always in north-south direction. The shape of Earth's magnetic field resembles that an imaginary bar magnet. Earth के magnetic field का shape just like a bar magnet, that we will see in the next page. See, this is the Earth magnetic field. It is also showing as a bar magnet. See here next line. The south pole of the Earth magnet is in the geographical north. अर्थ के मैग्नेट, जो हमने अभी जस्ट पढ़ा कि अर्थ इज बिहेविंग लाइक अ मैग्नेट, और अर्थ का मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल इज आवर जियोग्राफिकल नॉर्थ, जो हमारा डायरेक्शन में नॉर्थ है वो अर्थ के मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल है, बिकॉज इट अट्रैक्ट्स नॉर्थ पोल of the suspended magnet. Similarly, the north pole of the earth magnet is in the geographical south. Let me make you more clear by making you understand and copy. See, here I have made, suppose this is earth. चलो ये हमारा अर्थ हो गया, ठीक है. Suppose a bar magnet as we have suspended that is resting in this direction, north south. ये एक बार मैग्नेट है जिसे मैंने फ्रीली सस्पेंड किया. वी हैव सस्पेंडेड फ्रीली दिस बार मैग्नेट एंड इट रेस्ट इन नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन. नाउ दिस नॉर्थ, अब ये नॉर्थ फिक्स्ड हो गया यहाँ पे, दिस नॉर्थ इज द जियोग्राफिकल साउथ. दिस नॉर्थ इज द दिस नॉर्थ इज द मैग्नेटिक साउथ ऑफ द अर्थ. अर्थ का मैग्नेटिक साउथ, अर्थ इटसेल्फ, दिस इज द अर्थ एंड इट इटसेल्फ बिहेव्स लाइक अ मैग्नेट. तो अर्थ का जो साउथ है, द पोल ऑफ अर्थ मैग्नेट इज साउथ टुवर्ड्स द पोल ऑफ नॉर्थ ऑफ द बार मैग्नेट, और ये नॉर्थ की ओर साउथ. दैट्स वाई इट विल अट्रैक्ट दिस साउथ पोल ऑफ द अर्थ मैग्नेट विल ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट नॉर्थ पोल ऑफ द बार मैग्नेट. अब ये नॉर्थ पोल किसकी ओर अट्रैक्ट होगा, तो साउथ की ओर अट्रैक्ट होगा. बाय दिस इट शोज द डायरेक्शन. इट मीन्स अर्थ इज इटसेल्फ अ मैग्नेट, अर्थ खुद में एक मैग्नेट है, एंड अर्थ का ये साउथ पोल और ये नॉर्थ पोल, दिस इज द मैग्नेटिक पोल, नॉट द जियोग्राफिकल डायरेक्शन. ये डायरेक्शन नहीं बता रहे हैं, दिस इज द मैग्नेटिक पोल. द साउथ पोल ऑफ द अर्थ मैग्नेट इज हेयर and north pole is here, and when we suspend a freely bar magnet, the north pole will always get attracted towards the south pole. That means we have studied just now that opposite pole attract each other. तो अब ये साउथ यहाँ जाके इकट्ठा नहीं हो सकता, because this south and this south will repel each other. That's why the north pole will attract towards south and south pole will attract towards north. That's why this is known as earth magnetic field, and like this will be geographical north and this will be geographical south. Hope that this topic is also clear. Our next topic is making of magnet. How we are going to make magnet. Now there are 2-3 methods to make a magnet. First is induction method. Induction means touching and removing, touching and removing, like this. If a bar magnet, I am making you understand directly by a diagram here, it is given. In induction method there are two methods, single touch and double touch. Here you can see that a material is kept here, a single bar magnet is there. What is the process? This bar magnet is touching this material and again it's removing, like this. I am touching this material and removing, touching, removing, touching, removing. If we are proceeding like this continuously, the property of this, suppose my pen is magnet, और ये एक substance है जिसे मुझे magnet बनाना है, ये है making of magnet. How we are going to make magnet? Suppose this pen, my pen is a magnet, and this book I have to make a magnet. इस book को मुझे magnet बनाना है. How we will process? We will touch the magnet, such a touch किया हमने, then remove, touch, remove, touch, remove. ऐसा continuous process करते रहेंगे around 30, 40, 50 times. Then the property of this magnet, this magnet will be transferred into the other magnetic materials and slowly it will start behaving like a magnet. आप बहुत लोगों ने देखा होगा in a electrical shop, जहाँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की मिस्त्री वगैरह या मोबाइल का शॉप में जहाँ मिस्त्री काम करते हैं, in their screwdriver there is some property of magnet. जैसे वो नट खोलते हैं वो नट गिरता नहीं है, that sticks in the screwdriver, that is made, the screwdriver is made a magnet by these two methods, single touch और double touch. Double touch का मतलब हो गया two magnets, when two magnets are used, that is called double touch. The main method of making magnet is electrical method. Now we are going to study electrical method. Next we are going to study making of magnet by electrical method. Now two method we have studied, that is induction method by stroking it, single touch or double touch. Now how we can create a magnet, how we can make a magnet by electricity. Electrical method means electricity. For this we have to understand a point that I am writing here. Whenever an electric current is passed through a conductor, it creates magnetic field around it. Whenever an electric current is passed through a conductor, जब कभी भी हम किसी कंडक्टर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को पास कराते हैं, तो अराउंड दैट कंडक्टर that electricity creates a magnetic field. That is the capability of the electricity, that it creates a magnetic field around it. उस कंडक्टर के चारों ओर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्रिएट होगा. नाउ हाउ टू क्रिएट अ मैग्नेट बाय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग अ आयरन नेल, एक लोहे का हमने यहाँ कांटी ले लिया. You also will try at your home. I have taken an iron nail. Now I am going to convert this iron nail into magnet. This is simply iron now. Now how we will convert? We will take a long copper wire. We will take a copper wire that should be naked. The wire which is used for winding. मोटर वाइंडिंग वगैरह में यूज़ किया जाता है कॉपर वायर जो बिल्कुल नेकेड है. That we will use. What we will do? We will take a long wire and first end, the very first end we will leave some part of the first end. पहला हिस्सा कुछ छोड़ देंगे हम. And from the leaving some part we will start winding. हम इसमें लपेटना शुरू कर देंगे. We will start winding the copper wire within this nail. इस आयरन नेल पे हम लोग कॉपर वायर को लपेटना शुरू कर देंगे. ऐसे ऐसे करके लपेटेंगे and at the last we will take out the wire. Now you can see this is the first part of the wire. वायर यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था, हमने इसे लपेटना शुरू किया कांटी में, लपेट करके यहाँ ले आए. Now we will connect these two wire by a battery. हम बैटरी से कनेक्ट करेंगे, ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश नहीं करोगे कोई भी. नन ऑफ यू स्टूडेंट विल ट्राई टू कनेक्ट विथ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिकॉज इट विल बी वेरी डेंजरस. इट विल क्रिएट गिव अ फैटल शॉक टू यू. तो यू कैन यूज सेल पेंसिल बैटरी जो है आपके घर में, आप उसे यूज कर सकते हो. एंड यू विल सी दैट दिस आयरन नेल विल स्टार्ट बिहेविंग लाइक अ मैग्नेट. हमने यहाँ बैटरी कनेक्ट कर दिया, सेल कनेक्ट कर दिया, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव साइड से कनेक्ट कर दिए. एंड एज यू विल connect this circuit with a battery, the current will supply in all the wires. And as just now I have told you that when a current is passed it creates magnetic field, that a magnetic field will create all around this nail. And if this nail is staying for some time inside this magnetic field, this nail will gain some property of the magnet and it will start behaving like a electromagnet. The magnet which are made by electricity is called electromagnet. और ये electromagnet की तरह behave करना लगेगा. It will start behaving like a electromagnet. And when you take anything magnetic material towards it, it will stick that magnetic material. अगर आप किसी भी magnetic material आयरन, स्टील, कोबाल्ट, निकेल इसके करीब लेके जाओगे वो इस पे चिपक जाएगा. कब तक? Until and unless power is supplied. Until and unless करंट इज सप्लाइड. जब तक आप इस पे करंट सप्लाई कर रहे हो तभी तक ये चिपकेगा. एज यू विल डिस्कनेक्ट द बैटरी फ्रॉम दिस सर्किट इट विल स्टॉप बिहेविंग लाइक अ मैग्नेट. ये मैग्नेटिज्म अपना खो देगा. दिस इज वाई बिकॉज दिस वायर इज कंटेनिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड व्हेन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज पास्ड एंड विद इन दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वी आर कीपिंग दिस आयरन पीस. That's why this piece will starts behaving like a magnet because it is taking some property of the magnetic field of the electricity. This is called electrical method to make magnet. Your next topic given in the book is electromagnet. Electromagnet are those magnet which are made by the help of electricity. Will be a electromagnet. Electromagnets, I am writing the definition. Electromagnets are those magnet which are made by the magnetic field of electric current, and all the electromagnets are temporary magnet. Why it is temporary? Temporary का मतलब होता है कुछ देर के लिए. तो why it is temporary? Because as we will stop giving it electricity, जैसे हमने इसे disconnect किया सेल से, it will stop behaving like a magnet. Now your next topic given in the book is type of magnet. Type of magnet that we will study from the book only. Type of magnet, there are two types, temporary magnet and permanent magnet. Temporary magnet are those magnet which shows the property of magnetism for some time. थोड़े देर के लिए property दिखा रहा है magnet का, and after that it loses its magnetism. Those magnet are known as temporary magnet. जो कुछ देर के लिए magnet रहा, that are called temporary magnet. And permanent magnet that do not lose their magnetism, जिसकी magnetism कभी खत्म नहीं होती है, those magnets are known as permanent magnet. Now next topic is uses of magnet. Where magnets are used? So as we can see in our daily life, so many places magnets are being used. Like in your pencil box also, you might have seen that the used to hold the box, वो box को चिपका करके रखने, बंद करने की जगह पे आपको दिया हुआ होगा मैग्नेट का एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा आपके बॉक्स में लगा हुआ हो, that sticks the box. Or in the ladies purse also you might have seen that while closing the ladies purse it sticks. That is the uses of magnet. Then also magnet are used to separate discarded iron steel object from other waste material. मान लो कि बहुत सारे waste material है, we are having so many waste material, and out of those waste material there are so many small iron pieces which we cannot separate by the hand. How we will separate? We will use magnet. जैसे magnet वहाँ डालेंगे, all the iron materials will stick on the magnet and we can separate the iron materials easily. Next is magnets are also used to make credit cards and other form of ID that we use. In our credit card or debit card, there is a magnetic strip given behind the debit or credit card or ATM card. They are magnets are also used in those cards to keeping the record. Next it is given magnets are used for making compass. Compass is a device which is used for giving direction that we have studied earlier. So in compass there is a magnetic needle which is showing us the north south direction. Then MRI is a medical term in which it help the doctor to look inside the patient bodies, in which we are using magnetic resonance imagers, that is called MRI, in which also magnets are used. Magnets are used in telephone as a speaker. In your telephone or in your mobile phone you can see the speakers. Around that speaker, if you will keep a piece of iron, that will be attracted in the speaker. That is, speakers are being magnets are being used in the speaker. Hair dryer, doorbell, all the machines which are rotating, which is used to rotate, in all the things we are using magnet. Like मिक्सर ग्राइंडर, फैन, वॉशिंग मशीन, इन सभी चीज़ों में मैग्नेट का यूज़ किया जाता है. नाउ अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज चॉइस ऑफ मटेरियल एज द कोर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. कैसा मटेरियल चूज करें इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट बनाने के लिए? तो आयरन इज द बेस्ट मटेरियल विच इज कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. लोहे का टुकड़ा ही सबसे अच्छा मटेरियल है विच कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. नाउ केयर ऑफ मैग्नेट, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू केयर आवर मैग्नेट. एज इफ वी लीव द मैग्नेट, अगर मैग्नेट को डिसहैंडल करें, अच्छे से यूज ना करें, तो स्लोली इट विल लूज इट्स मैग्नेटिज्म बाय द पासिंग ऑफ टाइम. समय के हिसाब से उसकी मैग्नेटिज्म कम होते जाएगी. तो वी शुड केयर द मैग्नेट सो दैट इट्स मैग्नेटिज्म शुड be available for a longer time. It should be there for a longer time. So how we should manage? So we will manage the magnet, or we will keep the magnet, or we will care the magnet by using a method, that is using an object that is called magnetic keeper. Let me make you understand by a diagram that what is keeper. We can protect the magnetism of a magnet by using an object that is known as keeper. Suppose we are having bar magnet. अगर हमारे पास 2 बार मैग्नेट है, 2 बार मैग्नेट हमने रखा, कीपिंग द पोल्स इन अपोजिट, हमने 2 बार मैग्नेट को ऐसे स्टोर किया और इसके ये जो एंड है, एज वी हैव स्टडीड द मोस्ट ऑफ द अट्रैक्शन इज एट द एंड ऑफ द मैग्नेट. इसके एंड पे हमने एक ढक्कन लगा दिया. एट द एंड ऑफ द मैग्नेट वी कीप अ कैप. दैट कैप इज नोन एज कीपर. ये कीपर का काम करेगा. जैसे विकेट कीपर, गोल कीपर, इट विल प्रोटेक्ट द पोल्स ऑफ द मैग्नेट फ्रॉम गेटिंग डीमैग्नेटाइज्ड. By this process we can care the magnet. Similarly in horseshoe magnet or U-shape magnet, जैसे हमारा horseshoe या U-shape magnet है, north south suppose it is there, तो we can simply attach a keeper here so that the magnetic property of this material can be kept for a longer time. Now as we are in the last topic of this chapter, now next topic is डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन. हाउ वी कैन डीमैग्नेटाइज, किसी भी मैग्नेट को डीमैग्नेटाइज कैसे कर सकते हैं. तो इट कैन बी डन बाय 3 थिंग्स, दैट इज हीटिंग, हैमरिंग एंड मिसहैंडलिंग. अगर किसी मैग्नेट को हमने हीट कर दिया, इफ वी आर हीटिंग एनी मैग्नेट इन आवर, यू कैन से दैट इन योर गैस बर्नर, इट विल डीमैग्नेटाइज. वो अपनी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी खो देगा. इट विल लूज द मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी. सेकेंड, इफ वी आर हैमरिंग, अगर उस पर हथौड़ा बजा रहे हैं, हथौड़े से मार रहे हैं, देन ऑल्सो इट विल ब्रेक इन टू स्मॉल स्मॉल पीसेस एंड द मैग्नेटिज्म ऑफ दैट मैग्नेट विल बी लॉस्ट. एंड द थर्ड इज मिसहैंडलिंग. इफ वी आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ आवर मैग्नेट प्रॉपरली, अगर उसको जैसे तैसे फेंक के रख रहे हैं इधर उधर, डेफिनेटली द मैग्नेटिक property or magnetic behavior, or you can say that magnetism of that magnet will be lost slowly. धीरे धीरे उसकी magnetic behavior खत्म हो जाएगी. Now your topic is completed. This chapter is finished. I have given you a single video for this chapter and you can see one by one all the parts, and your chapter is completed. Within 2 or 3 days you will be getting the question and answer also. I will be showing you question and answer. I will be giving you all the question and answer, and your task is to complete the question and answer in your copies and submit it when it is asked in your school. Thank you very much, and we will meet in the next class.